Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video ay narito po tayo para sa ating The Road Trip. Batanes Tour.
Hello po. Lagi po kayong mag-like and follow.
Yan, pero promote na ako, oh.
Siyempre.
Ayun yung drone, oh. Kinukuha na po ba tayo dyan?
Ikaw, ginagamit tayo sa ano? Oo.
Ano yung sigaw? Ano yung sigaw? Tarzan. Lah.
Diba? Nakadaan kayo sa tahanan.
Ito lang. Wow! Wala pa lang, may daan ba dyan?
Ayaw po, kalsada.
Pwede pala eh.
Yan ang tahanan. Ay, sinubukan nyo eh. Diyan po tayo mamaya babalik.
Oh, sabi oh.
Titignan ko hanggang sa makakarating. No?
Tingnan nyo yung ginagawa nila oh. Parang mga sabik sa tubig eh. Oh, may bold actor. Igo na! May baong ka pa! Timer start now! 10! 9! Oh, tara na, balik na. Ito yung Blue Lagoon na sinasabi. Ito na yun.
Tama. Kasi ayaw na yung maligo, bantay na kami dito.
Yan po yung tinuluyan namin dito sa Batanes. Penmaya po yung pangalan nitong hotel. 3 araw po kami dito at pabalik na po kami ngayon ng Manila. Kaway, kaway.
Okay. Sure?
Kaway, kaway. Kakaway ka, wagas ha.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, this is your first officer, Zachman Eagle speaking. On behalf of Captain Pier 9, the cabin crew, PJ and Don, we are delighted to welcome everyone on board this flight to P2689 from Port Clark. We expect to depart in a few minutes.
Words don't come easy to me. How can I find
Iba yung nasa.
Wait, 1 minute right there. 1 minute. Ay,
Carousel yan. Yung carousel. Tulad nung una.
Home speaker.
Thank you.
nag-tour po sa atin doon nung lumapag po tayo ng Batanes ay ang Stonehouse Travel and Tour Services. So meron po silang ginawang itinerary dito from day 1 na napunta tayo ng Batanes hanggang sa natapos tayo. So narito po yung ating itinerary na ginawa. Ito nung day 1, nung May 15. Arrival and Introductory Day Tour. Batan North Tour. Meron silang ginawa dito na estimated time arrival 7 to 7:45 a.m. And then 8 to 9:30 a.m. Lodge sa hotel, check-in para sa breakfast. 10 a.m. tour introduction and orientation. Tinuro nila sa atin kung ano-ano yung mga pupuntahan natin sa day 1. 12 p.m. welcome lunch. 2 p.m. start of tour. Nagpunta kami sa Mount Carmel sa Chapel, Pag-asa Weather Station, Idyang Didawud Viewing, Deep Nai Suyuan Japanese Tunnel, Balugan Boulder Beach, Santo Domingo de Guzman Church, Our Lady of Immaculate Cathedral, Bayang Rolling Hills, Basco Lighthouse, Naidi Hill Complex. Yan yung mga lugar na pinuntahan namin noong May 15. Ito yung day 1. And then 6 p.m., bumalik na kami sa hotel para makapagpahinga. Day 2, May 16, 2025, island hopping sa Sabtang Island Tour. Ito, medyo maaga-aga to. 5 a.m. yung aming wake-up call. 6 a.m. travel to San Vicente Port and or Radiwan Port in Ivana. 6:30 a.m. 30 minutes Falua ride to Sabtang Island. 7 a.m. estimated time arrival at Sabtang Port. 7:30 a.m. registration at Sabtang Tourist Information Center. Dito na nag-start yung aming tour. Nagpunta kami sa Barangay Sabidug Stonehouse, Santo Tomas de Aguinas Chapel, Chamadtad Tinan Viewing Port, Sabtang Waves Association, Barangay Chavayan Stone Houses, Santa Rosa de Lima Chapel, Morong Beach, Ahaw Natural Arts Formation. 11 a.m. early lunch. Napaaga yung ating kain. 12 p.m. travel back to the port and Falua ride back to Radiwan Port. 12:30 p.m. travel back to Basco. And then 1 p.m. ng tanghali ay bumalik na kami sa aming hotel. Maaga nagising, so kailangan mas maaga makapagpahinga. Day 3, May 17, 2025, whole day tour. Ito, buong araw na to kasi last day na natin ito sa Batanes. Nagbatan South Tour tayo. 7 a.m. yung ating wake up call. 9 a.m. pick up time and start of tour. Walking tour at Paderes Point and Cliff Road. Chawa Viewing Deck. San Carlos Borromeo Church. Mahataw Spanish Lighthouse. Mahataw Tayid Lighthouse. Walking tour. So ito yung medyo mahaba-haba yung aming nilakad. 12 noon, nag-lunch, and then afternoon ay dumiretso uli kami para ipagpatuloy yung aming tour. Nagpunta kami sa White Beach and Honmoron Lagoon, Ivana Old Spanish Bridge, House of Dakay, Honesty Store, San Jose de Ivana Church and Ruins, Uyugan Town, San Antonino de Florencia, Mochong Viewpoint, Ruins of Song Song, Our Lady of Miraculous Medal in Itbud, Alapad Hills and Rock Formation, Loran Old Naval Base, San Lorenzo Ruiz Chapel in Imnajbu, Raku A. Payaman, ito yung sa Marlboro Country. And then 5 p.m. bumalik na kami sa hotel para kami ay makapagpahinga. Day 4, ito na yung ating departure. May 18, 2025. So yung ating wake up call and breakfast is between 4 to 5 a.m. 5:30 a.m. travel to airport. 5:45 a.m. check-in, and then 7:30 a.m. flight back to Manila. Kami pong lahat ay nagpapasalamat sa nag-tour po sa amin doon, and syempre sa company Stonehouse Travel and Tour Services. And I guaranteed ko po sa inyo na napakaganda po ng experiences namin sa kanila nung tinur nila kami, ginaid nila kami sa magagandang destination sa Batanes. Sa mga interested po at magbabalak po pumunta ng Batanes, narito po yung kanila pong complete number. So 0920-409-7526, 0954-2464028. Stonehouse Travel and Tour Services. Pwede nyo po silang kontakin through stonehouse0325@gmail.com. Narito naman po yung aking mga katrabahong nakasama ko during sa pagpunta po namin sa Batanes. Iisa-isahin po natin sila. Jessie Cleofas, Armando Bello de Paz, Eddie Borjal, Irene Escarlan, Gemma Alera, Jer Ibay, Jesus De Luta, Jude Brando Madriaga, Maricar Ramos, Marites Suliman, Nelson Arsenas Cruz, Noel Acosta Bautista, Roel Maravi Chavez, Ronnie Esguera, Rowena Panghilinan, Vergara Calado Juanito, Victor Altabano, at syempre po ang inyo pong lingkod. Kami pong lahat ay nagpapasalamat sa pagkakataong narating po namin ang Batanes. Maraming salamat po sa aming lolo. Maraming salamat po, Sir PN.
Thank you, Lolo Totoy, sa mga donation pa ninyo sa school po namin. Maraming salamat po.
Words don't come easy to me. How can I find a way to make you see I love you? Words don't come easy. Words don't come easy to me. This is the only way for me to say I love you. Words don't come easy. Well, I'm just a music man. Melody so far my best friend, but my words are coming out wrong, and I reveal my heart to you and hope that words don't come easy to best friend, but my words are coming out wrong, and I reveal my heart to you and hope that you believe it's true. 'Cause words don't come easy to me. How can I find a way to make you see I love you? Words don't come easy. This is just a simple song that I made for you on my own. There's no hidden meaning, you know, and when I say I love you, honey, please believe I really do. 'Cause words don't come easy to me.
Summer this April on the Bloodcast. Stronger second quarter.
Don't come easy.
The 2026 Whole Week presentation, Year 5. The 2026 Whole Week presentation on Smule, Year 8. The Bloodcast 5th Anniversary presentation.
Don't come easy.
2,300 YouTube subscribers and counting.
Their way to make you see. Don't come easy.
The Bloodcast, my official YouTube channel.